Breaking travel news from across the world.
The best in travel continues with this Greek odyssey. We're on the Athens Riviera, and here at the Divani Apollon Palace Spa, we are indeed in the spa. It's said to be one of the best in the country, if not one of the best in Europe. So let's go in and take a look. The award-winning Divani Athens Spa and Thalasso Centre covers an impressive 3,500 square metres and is the only one in the Athens region offering Thelassotherapy. On entering the spa, the changing rooms, separate for women and men, is the place to start, and then is the choice of numerous body treatments and fitness activities. The spa offers a multitude of beauty treatments for all parts of the body, conducted in the privacy of individual treatment cabins, giving guests the opportunity to rejuvenate their body. There's also hot and cold water treatments in special baths, some with high-tech pods, looking like they've come straight out of a science fiction movie. This magnificent Thalasso pool is the centrepiece of the spa, and for those bathers in the salt water, numerous health benefits including relief from aching joints and also arthritis. Also benefiting from Thelassotherapy, which uses seawater and sea minerals, is cellulite and also the pores of the skin. The spa also offers massages based on those from many countries around the world. And there's also rooms for group classes like aerobics. The number of treatments and massages available to guests is vast, and for those looking towards fitness, the gym has the latest equipment. Our tour of the spa concludes here in this quiet room where users of the Thalasso pool or those who have had treatments or massages can come in and relax, enjoy the peace and its serenity. I'm Phil Blizzard in Athens for Breaking Travel News, London.